What's up guys, this is Josh here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn $10 into $100, and it's not a part of some get rich quick scheme where they say pay $100 to join the program or pay $100 to take this course. I hate those type of programs, by the way. I'm going to share with you exactly what I'm doing, and you can take whatever you want from this. But before I dive into that information, if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button. And if you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And the stock market has been going crazy for the last week, and you don't want to miss out on the gains that the stock market is doing. And you can get free stock value all the way up to $500 with Robinhood. And you can get that free stock by clicking the link down in the description box below. Once you link your account, you will receive a free stock value up to $500. We all want to make money, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn $10 into $100. And it's probably not going to be as mind-blowing or as exciting as you are expecting, but I am going to tell you the truth. And with this way, it is easy to grow your money, but it's not quick. So if you're looking to turn that $10 into $100 by the end of this video, this isn't it at all. This is something that historically over time has done very well. Now let's focus on how you can turn that $10 into $100 through the power of compounding interest. The S&P 500 has historically performed at 7.2%, adjusted for inflation with your dividends reinvested. Some people say that they can't invest in the S&P 500 because it's too high. 40 years ago, back in 1971, the average closing price of the S&P 500 was $98.32, and even back then that was considered high. Now let's fast forward to today. The day that I'm recording this video, the S&P 500 is now worth $4,185. So what I am saying is, if you keep your money in there, keep reinvesting all of that money that is spitting back at you, you reinvest that as well, and 40 years later, that $10 will be worth $100. By sitting around trying to time the market, waiting for the next market crash to invest your money, is actually costing you more money. You want to look at the long-term track record whenever you're thinking and looking at the stock market. Don't look at the day-to-day, because roller coasters will go up and down, but it's the person who will jump off the roller coaster that's who's going to get hurt. So you want to look at the 10-year, 15, 25-year, 30, 40-year track record of stocks before you start really trying to get into stocks and see what's happening. Don't go based off of the day-to-day, because you're going to get scared, you're going to get anxious, and you're just going to be like, I need to take my money out. But look at the long-term track record of the S&P 500 if that's the route that you want to go. And this isn't any kind of speculation. Everything that I'm sharing with you in this video is based on historical returns from the stock market. That's where I'm getting this information from. So think about it like this. If every $10 you have now could be worth $100 in the future, that can make you think before you decide to blow your money. So that $5 cup of coffee that you had this morning is actually worth $50 for your future self. A $1,000 smartphone is more than $10,000 for a future Josh. So do you really need that $30,000 car, or would you rather prefer to have $300,000 in cash in the future? Is dropping $1,000 at the script club really worth the $10,000 for your future self? So think about everything that you're spending today in its future value and what it is really costing you later on down the line. Compound interest starts off slow, and it will slowly pick up traction. It's almost like a snowball. The further along that ball roll is, the more that it picks up. So why isn't everyone doing this? Because this concept is extremely easy. Just think about it. Invest money as early as you can, be consistent as long as you can. It really doesn't matter what the price is right now. All you should be focused on is what the long-term track record is. Either it's 15 years, 25 years, 30 years, 40 years from now. And the chances are that it will be a lot higher than it is right now. So there you are. Like I said, I don't have a magic formula or anything, but this works. And for more ways that you can make money and all things related to your finances, go on and check out more videos right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.